What's up, y'all? This is the Rap Nerd with today's Future Sound. I'm so honored to be at Rock the School Bells right now, giving you this amazing talk. I know you're learning about rapping, producing, DJing, dancing, graffiti, all these cool stuff, but there's one thing I know you're missing. One thing I know as you start your journey on this infinite path of possibilities in this digital age, it's going to trip you up. And it's just 3 simple letters. And you know what that is? E-G-O. Your ego. Because when you don't check your ego or deal with your ego, you're going to find yourself either hating others, resenting others, bad-mouthing others, when it really is just all comes back to you. The great philosopher Ice Cube once said, you better check yourself before you wreck yourself. So that's what we're going to do right now. And this class of thick beats, black art, self-mastery of the modern day artist. So before I get started, I want to first give credit where all this whole idea comes from. Her name is Chin Ming Chu. She wrote this amazing book called Thick Face, Black Heart. Oh, you caught on, didn't you, right? So she writes in her book, I love this book dearly. She says, the goal of the thick face, black heart practitioner is to be so thick, you are formless. So black, you are colorless. I've been chewing on that for a while, meditating it. You know what I did, y'all? Remix! So this is the rap nerd spin on that. And that is to be so thick, you are stylist. So black, you are fearless. So secure, you're free to let all this go. You're like, what does that even mean? How do I apply it to my life? Let's get into it. The first part, so thick, you are stylist. We base style off of popularity, the masses, the current trends, right? And yeah, it's cool and everything, but we always feel left out. We always feel that we can't measure up. This idea of perfectionism, right? That's because we're basing our life upon others. And if you notice about styles and trends, it's always the ones they say are stylist ends up becoming the stylist. Well, why is that? Because they learn how to forge and create their own style. That's what hip-hop has done. Hip-hop started out of nothing, became something that's $1 billion industry. It has entrepreneurs, fashionistas, all this amazing stuff, DJs, producers, man, people who are doing great things because they went out and did their own path. They didn't follow the trend. Before you have all this stuff now, they did it on their own. So you gotta learn how to be so thick that you're stylist. Next part, so black, you are fearless. Black music, black history, black art, it comes from a place of not being afraid to deal with situations. See, when we talk about fear, we always use this horrible acronym, false evidence appearing real. You know what we do every time we say that to ourselves? We're gaslighting ourselves. You cannot gaslight yourself and then be surprised while you're feeling gaslit. It first starts with you. So instead of saying false evidence, I said fearless. Factual evidence appearing real, letting ego surrender to self. I don't mean by that. I don't mean you just lay down and just like let people walk over you. No. What I mean is that if you're getting problems, if you're going through situations, you get help. You acknowledge you're going through something first. You admit that, hey, something isn't right, something is not okay. And then from there, you can start getting the help that you need. Whether it's through your peers, through family, through friends, whatever it may be, you're now doing what is necessary for you. That is why I use fearless. Factual evidence appearing real, letting ego surrender to self. Because black history, black art, black music is what? Fearless. Come on now. Let's get into the next one, the last one. So secure, you're feeling all this stuff go. And you're like, how can I be so secure? How can I do all this and let everything go? It's simple. Finding help. I said it earlier. You can be friends, family, therapy, counseling, or even spirituality. Whatever helps regulate you and give you the love that you need. Because love doesn't mean you tolerate hate. Love means you hold hate accountable and you deal with the hate that's given to you. That is what we've always done. So again, to reiterate, in her wonderful book, Thick Face, Black Heart, she says to be so thick, you are formless, so black, you are colorless. Raptor put the remix on it, to be so thick, you are stylist, so black, you are fearless. And so secure, you're free to let it all go. I'm encouraging y'all to keep on your path. As the great philosopher Ice Cube said, you better check yourself before you wreck yourself. And I hope to see you all do amazing things in your lifetime. Take care, y'all. Rap Nerd. Peace. Bye.